Hello viewers. Today I am explaining a few facts about algebraic simplification. Whenever we multiply in algebra, whenever we need to simplify something in algebra, the main process is multiplication. Before we go to multiplication, we should understand few points. See, an algebraic expression is always have three components. If we have 2a cube, okay, this is an algebraic number. This 2 is called coefficient, which is always attached to the left side of the variable. This number over the variable is called exponent or power, and variable itself is called base. Okay, so algebraic number consists of three elements: coefficient, base, and exponent. Okay, now in an algebraic number, before we should understand, whenever we are simplifying, we should understand what is a term. Algebraic term is the number before a sign or sign positive or negative. So before positive or negative sign, whatever comes, it is a term. Okay. Now, if we know the terms, okay, so there is an example given over here: 2a square plus 3a cube plus 5a4. So 2a square is a term, 3a cube is another term, and 5a4 is another term. So if we want to add these values, we cannot add because their bases are same but their powers are different. So to add and subtract, we should have the same base and the same power. Okay. So when the two terms have the same base and same power, then they will be called like terms. So all these terms are unlike, so they cannot be added. When we multiply, so in the multiply, the procedure is more or less the same, that we should first see the variables are same or not. So if our variables are same, then what we do, we multiply the coefficients with the coefficient of the other one, and we add the powers. In multiplication, we add the powers and we multiply the coefficients, okay, of the same variable. If variables are different, then they will be written as it is. Okay, so this is something which you should understand while doing simplification questions. Now let's solve some examples. Let's see. We have a very good example here. I have selected three examples for you, which are very simple and very simple to understand. And if you will practice, then you can learn this topic very well. Okay. Now the first example is minus x minus 2 plus x and 6x minus 7. This is the question. Okay. So minus plus will become minus, and we will have x here. Minus minus will become plus, we will have 2 here. Plus plus is plus, this will become 6x square. See, the process of multiplication is going on over here. X and x are the same variable. Power of x is 1 and power of this x is also 1. So it will become 2. So 6x square is the answer here. Now minus plus minus is minus. X into 7 is 7x. Okay. Now this 6x square is the largest value here. So it will come in the beginning. Now minus x and minus 7x, they are the like terms, and then 2, which is unlike. Now 6x square minus 8x plus 2 will be your answer. Okay, it is done in this way. Now second question is minus 5x 4x plus 7, okay, plus minus 1 minus 6x minus 20x square minus 35x minus 1 minus 6x. Okay, now minus 20x square minus 35x minus 6x minus 1. Okay, minus 20x square minus 41x minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, now the third question I have selected for you is 5x plus 7 and minus 8k and k minus 8. Okay, so this is 5x plus 35 minus 8k square plus 64k. Okay, now over here minus 8k square, the largest value, this and this will be added, it will become 70k, and 35 will come in the end like this. Okay, so this is going to be your answer. So these were the few very easy simplification tricks which I have just explained. Okay, so you have to remove the bracket, and in removing bracket we have to multiply. Okay, so that's it for today. That's all for today. See you next time with another video. Allah Hafiz.